Bro, hear me saying, daddy? Daddy, move quick.
Yeah, what style man for your device? I don't know, so I want fully brave God Skeleton then I represent for Soji TV Entertainment. I mean I say yo, alright, I say the artists and the baddest review them man, you hear me? Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. You know, click the notification bell to get notified fully.
Slow with me money. If we are broke, we not broke with me money.
No joke artist, a real thing you talk. Yeah, some of them run here. Never have nothing to do until you send them a receipt. You see me? Them all these things to do just because they want to hold on for a man money. I mean, I say the artist that goes by the name Fresh King, you know, man. And you don't know, say, the song where in job title. No move slow. You see me? Cause I some run now, just send them your money, you know, man. Yeah, yesterday, oh, me have supermarket figure, me have this a girl I figure link, me have this a pick me I figure take up. Me no want to hear them things there because when me there tell us say, yo, me will send something your side, you know. Everything they good, you know. So what when time the money come now, you can tell me, be a thing and I will out for man. Me no want to hear that. And that the concept them here getting an artist song, you see me? And you don't know, say, Fresh King as somebody were out there long time, you know, me don't know how him not get the eye like when supposed to get, but you don't know, say, I saw a fight, the fight is real, and he's a talented artist, you don't know, say, yes, man, him have a voice for himself, you see, pre, yeah, man. I mean, I hear one next song when drop, couple days ago, said we a couple hours ago when him Chinese language, you know, man. And it sound like him a show shades off of one artist, you know. We not call the name, you know, want to know guys to go over there and go listen to the artist and tell me which artist him a show shades that. You see me? The song they were in job title Chinese language, but we are talking about don't move slow, cause you don't know. Yes, man. You're there on the grind now long and nothing now go on, and when time sitting do go on. I'm gonna hold out for your thing. Hours. You must take figure draw your things to can't come here. We know they find that, you know, so viewers and subscribers, if you can relate to this, I want to know guys, you just go by artists and say, no. You see me? And me send you know over there. You don't know, say me there, you know, want to know guys to subscribe, like, share, comment on all of my video them, you know, man. You see me? Press the bell icon so you can be notified each time we drop a video. You don't know me never keep it long, you know, man. Fresh King. Big up yourself, you know, bad artist. And I know we are listening. You see, pre a time now, man, a year time now. So just go on, put in your work, a year slice of cake the day now. You see, pre, cause a long time you're out there, I have put in the work. So man, you big up yourself and big up the whole team. You see, pre, out there, we out there, man. 100.